Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Gully Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video a stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye. This video, I hope you like it. Different ideas of styling in low maintenance. In low maintenance hairstyling, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyles. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful collection of highlights. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut. And many much more latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. Your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So fan, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.